Gemini, hi. Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 29 to August 4, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan. So, kung kayo ay apektado kayo ng baha, no? Ingat-ingat po dahil malakas ang ulan, laging umuulan, may bagyo. Kung kailangan, wala naman talaga kayong importanteng lalakarin, huwag na kayong lumabas. Oo. I-reschedule nyo na lang next week. Okay, Gemini, let's see what's coming to you. Ancient Wisdom. Ayan, meron kayong kaalaman na matututunan maybe about your family, yung mga knowledge, yung skills, pwedeng ipapass down sa inyo ng inyong mga ancestors. Like for example, yung lola mo, ipapasa sa iyo ang kanyang galing, talento sa pagluluto. O yung father mo, meron siyang skill sa pagmemekaniko, magaling siya doon, no? Pwedeng ipapasa yan sa iyo. So ngayon, you are embracing the wisdom, the knowledge, the skill set na ipapamana sa iyo ng iyong ancestors. Let's see what else. Emotional healing. Some of you are healing from your past. Kung kayo nagkaroon ng challenging situation with someone, maaring aayusin nyo yan ngayong week na to. Or ila-let go nyo na. Pwedeng kahit na hindi nyo nakikita itong taong to, hindi nyo na nakikita or hindi nyo na nakakasalamuha, patatawarin mo para sa sarili mo, para hindi mo nadala-dala yung bigat. Mother Earth, so yung iba sa inyo ay magsispend ng time with your family outside, no? So pwedeng kayo ay magbabakasyon, spending time with nature. Yung iba naman sa inyo itong magpa-pass down ng galing, talent, skills ay mother ninyo. Diba, magaling siyang mag-bake. So, makukuha mo yung galing niya sa pagbe-bake. Okay, let's see your overall energy, Gemini. You have the Four of Cups. Iba sa inyo, Gemini, malungkot. Siguro yung iba bored or parang feeling ninyo walang nangyayari, walang nagbabago, walang nag-i-improve. Kasi yung iba sa inyo maaring, kino-compare nyo yung situation nyo sa ibang tao. Yung iba sasabihin, hindi ko naman kino-compare yung sarili ko. But sometimes, no, na lalo na if we are very active in social media, we tend to compare yung situation ng isang tao sa buhay natin. Like, oh, buti pa siya, or sana all, ganon. So, it's time for you to be grateful sa blessings na meron ka. If you are feeling lonely, no, or malungkot ka, feeling down ka, count your blessings. Kumuha ka ng papel, isulat mo yung mga bagay na pinagpapasalamat mo. Number 1 dyan, if you have good health, maayos yung kalagayan ng kalusugan mo, that's already a big blessing. Health is wealth, diba? Ano pa, you have a family who loves you, who cares about you. Okay? Kasi minsan, hinahanap natin yung mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa atin outside of what we already have. Pero minsan, ang hirap nun. So, yung iba sa inyo, mas magpo-focus sa kung ano yung meron kayo. Kasi there's always something to be happy about, to be thankful for. Okay? Your challenge is the moon. Masyadong emotional kayo ngayon, Gemini, or parang sensitive, no? You might be a little sensitive this week about your feelings, about your thoughts, about the people around you. So it's time to manage your emotions, your feelings. And then, pwede rin merong revelation, no? About a situation. Tingnan natin, what is the moon? 8th house. Oh. 8th house is endings, new beginnings, transformation. So, maaring may nagbabago sa buhay ninyo na parang nahihirapan pa kayong i-accept sa ngayon. Can be an ending of a career, a business, or a relationship, or a connection with someone. Na parang, that's the reason why you're feeling sad. Some of you, pwede rin merong mahal sa buhay na uh, may health problems, or yung iba naman na mayapa na yung mahal sa buhay ninyo. Kaya you're feeling down talaga. Your opportunity. You have the 9 of Wands. So, as an opportunity, you have the strength that you need, Gemini. Okay? You are stronger than you realize. You are stronger than you think. Akala mo, mahirap, no? But, kayang-kaya mo siyang i-handle. Hindi naman tayo bibigyan ng challenge na hindi natin kaya. Kasi, tinan nyo, look at where we are right now. Where you are right now. 'Di ba? Marami ka nang nalagpasan ng mga pagsubok at andyan ka lumalaban. What is your blessing? Wow, Ace of Cups. The blessing is a new source of happiness. Merong bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo, tao, bagay, sitwasyon na magpapasaya sa'yo ngayong week na to. This is a new source of happiness, a bundle of joy. Yung iba sa inyo, bagong member ng family, like may ipapanganak. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring kukuha kayo ng pet that will make you feel good, no? Na nakaka-happy sa puso. What is the Four of Cups? You have the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, may nagbabago. May energy shift for you, Gemini. Maaring meron kang realizations ngayon na may mga bagay na kailangan mong i-let go at i-keep, no? At yung mga bagay na natira sa buhay mo, yun yung mas pahahalagahan mo at dadalhin mo sa bagong kabanata ng buhay mo. Okay? What is the Moon? Eight of Cups. Some of you are leaving a situation. Merong aalis. Kaya siguro kayo medyo emotional ngayon because of the change. Yung iba, alam mo, tipo may pag-move. Move in, move out. Move out, move in. Like, for example, yung iba magre-resign sa work, pero at the same time, lilipat rin kayo sa mas magandang trabaho. Ganon. So, may endings and then may new beginnings naman. Oo. So, anything that is no longer serving your highest good, you're going to leave that situation and go to a new direction na mas fit sa'yo, mas magiging masaya ka, mas magiging fulfilled ka. Yung iba sa inyo hindi pa yan nare-realize kasi syempre, nasa transition period pa lang kayo. Kumbaga, nasa proseso pa lang kayo ng paghahakot ng gamit papunta dun sa bahay na paglilipatan nyo. Hindi nyo pa alam kung ano yung swelteng naghihintay doon sa bagong bahay na lilipatan nyo. Doon sa bagong trabaho na lilipatan nyo. Ganon. Okay? Oh, 'di ba? Judgment. This is your opportunity to make changes in your life, to give yourself a rebirth. This is a brand new you, Gemini. Okay? So, opportunity mo to na may baguhin sa buhay mo, letting go of unnecessary things, mga bagay na hindi na nakakatulong sa pag-unlad mo, at pag-embrace sa mga bagong bagay sa buhay mo na magiging kasama mo para sa new journey mo. Ace of Cups. Oh, ganda. Blessing ninyo. Oh. May celebration dito. Meron kayong achievement. Yung iba sa inyo, bagong bahay talaga. May paglipat, bagong bahay. It's like a new job, a new career, a new home, something new that will fulfill your happiness. May major celebration rin kayo. So, pwedeng kayo ay may certain achievement, no, in your career or business. We have the Fox, the Child. So, itong Fox na to, deception to. So, mag-ingat sa mga makakasama nyo, makaka-deal ninyo, lalo pag hindi nyo pa kilala, huwag masyado agad magtitiwala. You have the energy of a child. So, this is like bago, no? Something new, fresh. So, for some of you, this is a new beginning. Yung iba naman, new bundle of joy, no? New member of the family, may baby sa bahay. You also have garden, so new friends will arrive. So may party. Parang may party. Alam niyo yung ano, sa pag may bagong bahay, housewarming. Yun. So may iba sa inyo may ganyan, housewarming. Or meron kayong party na pupuntahan na mag-e-enjoy kayo. Also have love. Love people, love them with all your heart. Just be sure to love yourself first. Yes. Mahalin din ang sarili. Unahin. Passion. Light up your life by honoring your deepest desires. Yes. So ngayon, ang focus mo, yung passion mo, kung saan ka talaga mas fulfilled. Yun ang bibigyan mo ng attention. Yun yung direction na gusto mong tahakin. Yung magkaroon ka ng fulfillment sa ginagawa mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!